Bit of samosa, bit of that chaat masala with some tamarind chutney in there. Wow. If I was only back at one of those streets where they were serving this, I'd get the ambience as well, and I'd be right at home. Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to show you how to make a samosa chaat. Well, a samosa chaat is a combination of a samosa and a chana chaat, which is a chickpea salad. But the combination is wow. You get the hit, the kick, the sweetness from the chana chaat, and then you get the crunch and the smooth from the samosa as well. A common street food found in Pakistan, in Lahore, but you can make it, traditionally it's made with a Punjabi samosa, which is a potato samosa, but you can actually combine yours with a chicken samosa, a vegetarian samosa, or a meat samosa, entirely what you fancy. So I'm going to show you how to put this together. Before we start, if you want to know how to make a proper homemade Punjabi samosa from scratch, that includes the pastry and the shell, look in the description below, and I've also got a recipe for the chana chaat in the description below as well. Make them both, combine them together, let me know how it turns out to be. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so. Click on the link, get the latest updates, find out what I'm cooking, follow, share, and give me a thumbs up if you like it, or if it turns out well for you. All right, so let's get cooking. Okay, so let's see how this is supposed to be put together. So again, just very simple. I've got my 3 samosas here. I've got some chana chaat. I've got some mint yogurt. I've got my tamarind chutney, and I've got some chaat masala as well. Okay, so it's very simple. I mean, I could just dig into it and just eat it all up, but it's basically, we're going to break open the samosas, mix in some of the chana chaat. So these were really nice and hot and crispy, and I had one before I actually made this. It's going to break a bit more. Ooh. You can see that nice and crispy. They're so crispy, they're just taking a bit more effort than normal. Right, so that's and this is where you get the smoothness of this potato and the crispiness of the shell, the pastry on the outside. And I'm just going to take some chana chaat, and I think that should be it. Now, to make it really interesting, this is where we put in the mint yogurt dressing. Now you can put in as much as you want or as little as you want. It just depends on how much yogurt you like. But this is really the pierce of resistance. Tamarind chutney. This is where you get the extra sweetness and the kick of the tamarind. And if you really want to go over the top, I've got some chaat masala here, which is usually used on a lot of street food, just to give it that extra hit. And we're done. Enjoy. Let me know how it turns out, and I'll see you again. Well, there you have it. It's done. It's sitting there. There's only one thing left to do now. Let's try it out. Bit of samosa, bit of that chaat masala with some tamarind chutney in there. Wow. If I was only back at one of those streets where they were serving this, I'd get the ambience as well, and I'd be right at home. Cook yours, let me know how it turns out, and I'll see you again. Bye for now.